Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hey, sorry. Who has question? You have two hands. No, one hand.
Two questions.
Two questions.
Because you told yesterday two questions in the Harikatayas, and you told that you will discuss later.
What?
You said, how possible the Tamaguna arrived in the heart of Rajaguna Tamaguna coming Parikshit Maharaj, when he told that I am king, had this ahankar, and I am king, and then how possible we did not send to me, how possible this Tamaguna Rajaguna come in Parikshit Maharaj, and he also said, how possible that Kali entered in the body of Parikshit Maharaj. Kali Maharaj, how possible he entered in the body of Parikshit Maharaj? It's just two questions.
Two questions. Who give answer? Huh?
You?
Because he's a kshatriya, and then they have more Rajaguna.
She entered because of gold.
Huh?
Gold.
Pardon?
Gold.
Gold. Where is the gold?
Parikshit Maharaj was wearing gold.
He's very rich.
Parikshit Maharaj has gold. Where? Huh?
Crown.
Huh?
Crown.
Crown. Actually, if you want word, I can say, how possible Parikshit Maharaj, he has false egos. Because he is the eternal associator of Krishna. Even Lord, even also, he is the grandson of Arjuna. And Parikshit Maharaj is the grandson of Arjuna. Because Parikshit Maharaj also asked to Sukadeva Goswami one question. Pita moho me, my grandfather Arjuna, how he conquered all the armies, ocean of the armies in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. And especially Bhishma Pitamaha was there in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Dronacharya, my grandfather, Guru Dronacharya also there. And also Karna. Karna, he was not ordinary person. Karna has very many kinds of mystic power, and he also Kundal and Kavach. And there are also many also Ruthi, Maharuthi, big warriors are there. So how my grandfather, the name Arjuna, he conquered the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Then Sukadeva Goswami part was there in his Katha. Actual Arjuna is the recipient mercy of Krishna. Krishna's Kripa Patra. One who receives mercy of Krishna, he can conquer to everything with nature. Then Sukadeva Goswami Pad also told how Dronacharya's son, Aswathama, tried to kill to you also. Do you understand? Dronacharya's son, Aswathama, he also tried to kill to Parikshit Maharaj. That time Parikshit Maharaj is the womb of his mother, Uttara. This is actually the end of the Mahabharatam explained in this way. Then when Mahabharat, battlefield of Mahabharat Kurukshetra finished, Duryodhana almost he is going to die. Then Bhim broke his thigh. And he was laying down in the bed of death in the battle for Kurukshetra. And midnight he was alone. Because Bhim already killed all the sons of Dhritarashtra. How many sons? Dhritarashtra? 100. Bhim himself alone, he killed all his sons. Finally, Bhim he also killed Duryodhana. Actually, he broke his thigh. Then he was going to die this way. Midnight, just he is waiting for his last breath, Antim Sas. In the meantime, Aswathama is the son of Dronacharya. Aswathama he came. Aswathama, he told Duryodhana, you did not give me chance to the position of chief army, Pradhan Senapati, in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. If you would give me the chief army of the battlefield of Kurukshetra, then you will not defeat. Because Aswathama, he got benediction and from, I think, Lord Shiva or somewhere. He will be alive 4 yugas. How many? 4 yugas. Satta, Treta, Dapar. 4 yugas. Right? So no one killed to him, actually. This is now Dapar Yuga. And also Aswathama has one special gems, money, in his forehead, middle of the eyeball. So he told, Duryodhana told, what will do now? Then they go, okay, now midnight, already, what is called, Juddha fight already finished. They told you, no, you give tonight, if you also make me the chief army, then I can give the Pandavas' forehead to you. and also Draupadi's brother, Drishtadumna. Because Drishtadumna, he killed his father, Dhanacharya. Drishtadumna, he and cut the head of Dhanacharya. So for this regard, Asatthama is saying, I will give the 4 heads of Pandavas and who is the killer of my father, Drishtadumna, brother of Draupadi. At least before you give up your body, leave your body, you can see the 5 heads of the Pandavas. That means you conquer. You die, no problem. But before you die, you can see you conquer. Pandav die. Then Duryodhana took the blood from his thigh and put tilak on his forehead. Told, okay, we'll go. So midnight, Asatthama he came. And that day Krishna is Bhagavan. He knows everything. Sarvagga. Sarvagga means who knows everything. Krishna, he knows what is the result of the Kurukshetra, what will do no one. Then that night, Pandava, Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakul, Sahadev and Draupadi, they were celebrating their, what is called, victory. Okay? Their victory. That Sanskrit word, that is called Vijay Maha Utsav. But Krishna told to this, okay, now midnight, and you should not tent in this tent. And which tent Pandavas are staying, Krishna told to come with me another place. Krishna took 5 Pandavas and Draupadi. At that tent, Draupadi 5 sons and her brother Drishtadumna. Or here Asatthama came. And that day also Krishna told to Mahadev, Shivji, you have to guard. And no one can enter in this tent of Pandavas. So Shivji, that night he was guarding, security guard, in the tent of Pandavas with his Trishul, Shiv Trishul. Shivji. Asatthama he came, Asatthama, how to enter in the tent of Pandavas. Shivji manifested 4 forms and 4 directions he is giving the guard. And in his hand, trident. That is called Maha Shiv Trishul. No one can enter. And only Vishnu, Bhagavan Vishnu, and Lord Krishna can enter. Also Krishna, you enter, have to fight with Shivji. And then maybe Vishnu Chakra or Sudarshan Chakra or Shiv Trishul can fight. So now Shivji is guarding there. Then Asatthama is thinking, how will enter in the tent of Pandavas. Asatthama, he knows, Shivji is very simple person. Just you offer some bel patta, bel leaves and Ganga Jal. Then Shivji will finish. He will forget everything. And we ask Barang Bhari Barmago, ask any benediction. Then Asatthama did stop stuti to Shivji. Then Shivji told Asatthama, it is impossible. Today, Krishna gave me order. My master Krishna gave me order. No one can enter in this tent of Pandavas. But Asatthama very humble. Asatthama, he told Shivji, just I want to see Pandavas, because today they already victory. I see to them. Then I 1 second go and come back. Then Asatthama did many stops to Shivji. Then, Om Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. Shivji, please, okay. Just 1 second you go and another second return back. Then Asatthama entered in the tent of Pandavas. Actually, that the Pandavas are not there. Who are there? Their sons are there. Then Asatthama, with his bow and arrow, very quickly. Asatthama is thinking Pandavas are there sleeping, and cut the head.
Oh my God.
Cut the heads, their heads, and brought. Very quick, he come back in the Kurukshetra field where Duryodhana was about to die. And that time Asatthama gave the heads of the Pandavas and in the hand of Duryodhana. Duryodhana first he asked, give me Bhim head, because Bhim, he killed all my brothers and also he is the cause of my death. Give me. Then one big head. Actually, that's the head of Bhim sons. Then Duryodhana, just to press with his hands, then automatically crushed. Then Duryodhana told Asatthama, I think this is not the head of Bhim. I know. Bhim head is very strong.
Hard.
With my Gada many times I also beat it, but nothing. And now I just little bit pressed with my 2 hands, this head completely crushed. In the meantime, lightning coming, What is it called? Lightning. Then Duryodhana saw, actually this is the heads of their Pandavas son. That time Duryodhana told Asatthama, why you destroyed Pandavas dynasty? Our fight was going on with Pandava and ours. But you killed all our dynasties. But Pandavas still they are alive. They must chasing behind to you. Then Asatthama told Duryodhana, what will do now? So you have to go to Vasudev. Maybe he will give some good suggestion to you. Then Asatthama running, come in the place of Vasudev. And then here, Krishna, he knows everything. Krishna, midnight, told to the Yudhishthira and Pandavas and Draupadi, or now midnight, we have to return back your tent. Then when return back, the same tent, and the Draupadi's 5 sons had not in head in not there. And his her brother, Dhrishtadyumna, head is not there. Then Draupadi started to cry. And then Krishna pacified. Who is the killer of my 5 sons and my brother? Then they realized, Asatthama, Dronacharya's son, Asatthama. Then Krishna and Arjuna followed. Where is Dhrishtadyumna? Hey, where is Asattama? And Asattama now in the place of Vyasadeva. He is going to Prashchitta. Prashchitta means to obligation of his sinful activities. Prashchitta. Or in the meantime, Asattama, he told to Vyasadeva, yeah, I mistake. I killed the 5 sons of Pandavas. And so what to do? What is my prashchitta? And in the meantime, Krishna and Arjuna came. Arjuna told, I am giving you a prashchitta. Then when he turned his face, Krishna and Arjuna, then Asattama, he ran away. Running. Then Krishna and Arjuna running behind, chasing behind. Running. But Krishna's mind again returned back this same place. Or which place? Vyasadeva asked. And that time Asattama is thinking, how to save myself? Then Asattama, he has one mystic power, and he learned how to use the Brahmastra. Then he tried to kill to Arjuna with his Brahmastra. Then he put his Brahmastra. Then Krishna told to Arjuna, you also use your Brahmastra. Because Dronacharya gave the teaching how to use the Brahmastra first to Arjuna. And he also gave the Brahmastra to use to Asattama. But Asattama, he does not know how to return back. Now 2 Brahmastra is coming to trash the whole universe about. Then Vyasadeva told, hey Asattama, you return back, take back your Brahmastra, otherwise the whole universe will be destroyed. Arjuna told, hey Arjuna, you also take back. Then Krishna told, okay Arjuna, you take back your Brahmastra. Then Arjuna, with his mystic power, he returned back his Brahmastra. But Asattama, he told, I don't know how to return back the Brahmastra. Then Vyasadeva told, okay, you have to send you other direction. Maybe go to the ocean or go to the desert, destroy that place. But Asattama is thinking, I have to kill the dynasty of Arjuna. Then Asattama, he sent the direction Asattama to kill Parikshit Maharaj. That time he was the womb of Uttara. Then Brahmastra came. Then Uttara, she was feeling so much pain. What to do? That time she called to Krishna. Then Krishna appeared in the form of Vishnu, Chaturbhuj, and entered in the womb of Parikshit Maharaj. And Krishna with his club, Gada, he also destroyed the Brahmastra. Then Parikshit Maharaj, he noticed when Parikshit Maharaj he was in the womb of Mother Uttara, he saw how Lord Vishnu protect to him. And when Parikshit Maharaj took birth, the womb of Mother Uttara, then he saw same Krishna in front of him. For this regard, his name is called Parikshit. 2 names also there. Parikshit Maharaj, one name is called Vishnu Rata, or another is called Parikshit. Vishnu Rata, Rat means protects. Then Vishnu Kartik Rakshita iti Vishnu Rata. That means Lord Vishnu Bhagavan Krishna, he protects him. For this regard, his name is called Vishnu Rata. Parikshit Maharaj, one name is called Vishnu Rata. Understand? Or another name he is called Parikshit. Parikshit means Prakishta Rupena Ikshitam iti Parikshit. That means Parikshit Maharaj, when he took birth from the womb of his mother Uttara, then he saw the same Krishna, Vishnu, was inside the womb of my mother and protect me with his clubs Gada from Brahmastra. Or same Krishna, he is outside. So again and again he noticed. For this regard, his name is called Parikshit. Parikshit Maharaj, he had two names. One is called Vishnu Rat, another is called Parikshit. Parikshit, Pari means Prakishta Rupa means direct. Ikshit means to see. That means Parikshit Maharaj, he direct saw. What did he see? The Krishna entered in the womb of his mother in the form of Vishnu, 4 arms, and with the clubs, and protect to him for the against fight of the Brahmastra, and were suited by Asatthama. Or same simultaneously saw same Vishnu, when Parikshit Maharaj came out from the womb, same Vishnu Krishna, in front of him. So for this regard, his name is called Parikshit. Sanskrit word Pakrishta Rupena Ikshitam iti Parikshitam. So now coming in this way, here Krishna himself protect him. And now, so this is actually the platform, the Mahabharata. Then, what is called? Arjun, finally he caught with Asatthama, and Bhim tried to kill to him also. Then Krishna knows that no one can kill to Asatthama, because 4 yugas he will be alive. Because he got this benediction. Shastra also says, Asatthama still is alive. He is staying in Vrindavan, some deep forest somewhere. And when Kali Yuga finished, then Sattva, Treta and Dapar Yuga, then in Dapar Yuga, next Dapar Yuga, then Asatthama, he will become also Vyasa. And this is Bhavishya Purana also explain this way. And wait, don't put your fingers in the mouth like baby. And this is contaminated you. And some the other habits, cutting their nails with the teeth. What did he say? Asatthama. That means Krishna, he knows. The Asatthama, he will be 4 yugas alive. For the Krishna, he told, you should not kill. Bhim took his gada and tried to kill to Asatthama. Then Krishna stopped him. No. Bring to in front of Draupadi, because Asatthama, he killed the sons of Draupadi and her brother. So she will take decision. What kinds of punishment she will give. That time Arjun brought, and Arjun Bhim brought to him in front of Draupadi and asked Draupadi, what kinds of punishment do you want to give Asatthama? Because he is the killer of your sons and brother. Then Draupadi, she told, if Asatthama will die, my son will not return back. Is it true? Then what will do now? Then Draupadi, she is very generous. She told, look, if Asatthama will die, then his mother also will be crying, as like I am crying for my son. What is the meaning of this? No need. Then, that time, Krishna told, okay, he gave his, what is punishment? Take out his money on his middle of the eyebrow here. And when Arjun took out the money gems from the middle of the eyebrow, then Asatthama completely were inactive. No strength, no power, these things. And also, here also start to gangrene. You know gangrene? Skin disease. So blood. Do you understand? Gangrene? Gangrene, this is one kind of disease. Always is what? Rotten. This is and that time Asatthama has no strength, power. Nothing. Then Bhim kicked out. Because Asatthama, that what is called James, that is the power of giving the strength. But now he is nothing. Now he is complete lost, inactive persons. And kicked. So now this is the story of Mahabharata is like. Now coming back this, when Parikshit Maharaj, he became king, yesterday I told, then he went in the forest to hunting the animals base. Then he became very thirsty, came in the ashram of Samigrishi, and he asked Samigrishi, give water. That time Samigrishi completely absorbed in his samadhi trance. But his false ego is now coming. Question is coming, how possible he has false egos coming? It's impossible, because he is the recipient mercy of Krishna. Krishna's Kripapatra. Because Krishna also protected him when he was the womb, his mother. And now another question is coming, how Kali entered in the mind of Parikshit Maharaj. The two questions yesterday I arised. Two questions I asked you. Actually, the first question is that Krishna, he knows how to manifest Srimad Bhagavad Kathamritam. And Parikshit Maharaj, he is the main, what is called? Character. Main, what is called? Persons of the Srimad Bhagavad Kathamritam. Though Srimad Bhagavad is eternal and transcendental, but how to manifest or presented the people in front of the people. So for this regard, Krishna arranged these things. Krishna's Yogmaya, and these false egos coming in the heart of Parikshit Maharaj. Actually, this is the thing. Without Krishna, these are not possible, because he is the eternal aspect of Krishna. Parikshit Maharaj. And now Krishna is thinking, I have to manifest my Bhagavatam. Bhagavad Kathamritam. But Parikshit Maharaj, he would be the main character. Nayak means main person. For this regard, Krishna desires, Yogmaya, he arranged this thing. So this is the false egos coming, I am Kshatriya. Before he was not thinking anything. But now he is thinking, I am Kshatriya. I am king. Or his sadhus, householders, why need not serve to me? This false ego is coming. Actually, everything they are desire of Krishna. Those who are pure devotee and completely surrendered to Lord, all their activities actually desires of Krishna. This is not the effect of Maya's Raja or Tamaguna. Maya, Raja, Tamaguna cannot involve the pure devotee. The pure devotee is what we are doing, even the angry or the other things. Actually, this is desire of Krishna. Krishna arranged this. Narad Rishi, he Uttam Mahabhagavad. Why did he angry with Nal Kuber and Mani Grip? Maybe tomorrow we will discuss. How Narad Rishi, he gave cars to Kuber, two sons, Nal Kuber and Mani Grip. Sadhus not involved anything. But why Narad Rishi he gave cars to Nal Kuber and Mani Grip? We have to become tree. Twins tree. That is Jamal Arjun. Why? Actually, everything is why. Krishna desires. And how to Leela will be manifest. Flow Leelas. Flow. And incessantly, how the Leela will go on. So in the same way, Parikshit Maharaj, he became angry and false egos coming, which is Rajagun and Tamagun in his heart. Actually, that is called Krishna desire. Why? Because Krishna knows how to manifest this Bhagavatam. And Parikshit Maharaj, he would be the main character of Srimad Bhagavatam. Understand? Actually, this is Krishna desire. Otherwise, how possible Parikshit Maharaj will be angry? Nothing. Another also, some Puranas also explain this way. Yeah, how Kali Maharaj, Kali, entered in the body of what is his name? Parikshit. Some Puranas explain it. Parikshit Maharaj, what is his name? Kali Maharaj, he asked how many places? 4 and 5. 1. 5 and 4 plus 1. Dutam panam striya suna jatra adharma chaturvidha. The 4 places first he asked, give, I will stay there. Adharma means is Kali. Adharma means Kali. Adharma means is what? Which is not accepted by Shastra. That is called adharma. What is the definition of dharma?
What is in the Shastra?
Dharma, which things also accepted by Ved and Purana and Shastra. That is called dharma. A Ved Purana actually that is called the manifestation from the lotus leaves of Krishna. Bhagavad Mukha Nishtha Bani. Srimad Bhagavad, that is called the Bangmoy Murti. Krishna himself manifested from his words. So for this regard, Srimad Bhagavad Katha Murti is called Krishna's Bangmoy Murti. Bang means Bak is speaking. Understand? That is manifested in the form of Srimad Bhagavatam. Bhagmay Murti. So now question is coming. Just I also asked this question. How Kali entered in the mind of Parikshit Maharaj? Because many Puranas also explain when Parikshit Maharaj gave the 5 places and the last place is what? Gold. Eh? That time he told, okay, this is my golden opportunity. And yeah, I have to enter in his crown. Because Parikshit Maharaj, he had one golden crown because he is king. Then another question is coming. When Pandavas, they leave their kingdom and going to the Himalayas, understand? That is a Banprasthavanam. That time, Yudhishthira Maharaj and also Krishna himself gave that the crown on the head of Parikshit Maharaj. Actually, this is the prasad, mercy of Krishna, mercy of Yudhishthira Maharaj. So maybe your question will be, how that crown? In the crown, Kali enter. It is impossible. Because also when Pandavas left the Hastinapur, that time Yudhishthira Maharaj himself and also put there the crown in the head of Parikshit Maharaj. And that crown also mercy of Krishna. Because Srimad Bhagavad explained Krishna's any kinds of prasadi, that is called transcendental. Maya cannot touch. What the thing? Krishna's garland. Krishna's, what is it called? What the slokas, just I forget the slokas. Mayang Jayit. If you take the garland of Krishna, then you can conquer the Maya. Srimad Bhagavatam, that sloka is very nice, beautiful slokas. Prasad, prasad is transcendental. Beyond of gunas, nirguna. So how possible? So that is, this is the crown is to the mercy of Krishna and Yudhishthira Maharaj. Actually here, other Puranas explain, Krishna Leela is this way. Krishna arranged these things also, Jogmaya. When Parikshit Maharaj went to the forest to hunting the animals, and that time, that day Parikshit Maharaj, he took the crowns which crown offered by Yudhishthira Maharaj. That crown is known. Actually, that crown was, what is his name? What name? Jarasandha. When Bhim, he killed Jarasandha, that is a very nice also story there. Actually, Bhim, he killed Jarasandha. And that crown was in that place. But Yudhishthira Maharaj, Parikshit Maharaj, by mistake, that day, he put that the Jarasandha, that crown on his head. That's it. This. So Kali now entered in that crown, golden crown. Some Puranas also explain this way. Actually, everything is happening by your day. Krishna Jogmaya, because Krishna is thinking how to manifest Srimad Bhagavatam and with Parikshit Maharaj this way. For this regard, doing this Leela. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal Ki Jai. Understand or not? Yes.
Gurudev, why Krishna allowed Draupadi's son to be killed? Why he didn't save the son?
This is a good question. Jasanu Anugrinami Horishe Dadhano Isane. Krishna is thinking, I take the 100% love, prema, from the heart of my pure devotee. Now Mahabharata Yuddha finished. Still Draupadi, she has some love and affection with her sons. Eh? Do you understand? So Krishna arranged this way. Krishna killed everything. Then Draupadi, she completely what?
Helpless.
Completely give everything to Krishna. These things. Sometimes give an example. The story once Krishna and Narada. Krishna and Narada, they also manifested in the form of one guru and disciple. Krishna is acting the role of guru and Narada Rishi is acting the role of disciple. Then Narad and Krishna, and guru and disciple, came in the one house, very rich person house. Big palace, 10 stories house, and so many opulence. This. When Krishna and Narad Rishi came, guru disciple, that time rich person become very angry. Hey, beggar, why you have come here? Why you touch my bell? That rich person very angry and used many harsh words to guru and disciples. Then they did not give any donation, nothing, and kicked out. Then guru means what is called disciple. Now he told, look, this rich person has lot of wealth of money, but he did not give us 1 penny to us, nothing. So, what is your opinion about them? Then Krishna told, hey Narada, did you know? I gave blessing to him. Hey rich person, you get more and more wealth money. Now your 10 storage, maybe next year you get how many storage? 20. More and more money come, money come. Okay. Then Narada Rishi become surprised. This person did not give no donation, nothing, or you gave blessing to get lot of wealth of money. Then again guru disciple coming, one very poor lady's house. And she has nothing. Only she had one cow. Cow giving the milk. When Narad and Krishna came, that old lady, she tried to cry. Oh, Sadhu has come. Then she served very nicely and offered milk. In her house, nothing. No food. Only her cow, one cow. So very quickly, she milking and Gausnadhara, that milk offered to guru and disciple. Then Krishna and Narad Rishi drank the milk. The old lady start to cry, hold the lotus feet of guru. Oh, you are sadhu, I cannot serve, I have nothing, these things. Then when coming, then Narad Rishi asked to Krishna, that a rich person did not give 1 penny to you, no sir, even he did not allow to enter in his house. You gave blessing to him. What blessing? More money you get. Maybe next year, how many? 20 stories you get. So what benediction will give this old lady who feed you and serve you? Then Krishna told Narad, I gave perfect benediction to the old lady. Well, what benediction? Well, after 1 day, your old lady, your cow had to die. Then Narad become very surprised. What kinds of a guru or what kinds of your disciple? This types of guru. Eh? Old lady, serve your lotus feet. Eh? Give everything to you. Eh? Milking. You drank milk. Or now you give cars, that cow. So next time when you will come her house, how possible she will serve you? Eh? Then Krishna told, hey Narada, listen. That old lady, she loves me. That old lady, she worships one Prabhuji, Balgopal. And with this, and serve his cow. Then that old lady, she serves me, my Vigraha. And also she serves cow. Eh? So it is better. That means her love now is what? Divided. Because I want to her love completely. Whole love. Eh? So for this regard, her cow should be die. When her cow will be die, then she will give whole love, 100% love to me. Eh? Do you understand? So for the Bhagavad also explains, Jasanu Anugrinami Harise Tadhana Isam. And one who completely surrenders to me, then slowly I'll take all his attachment from the material. But still she has attachment with her cow. Eh? So so for this I gave curse. Hey old lady, your cow should be die. When her cow will be die, then she will give whole love to me. Eh? And when you speak this katha, sometimes devotees are afraid. Oh, you should not worship to Krishna. Are you are not this thing. When how? Eh? Sometimes Krishna gave all Lakshmi to Dhruva Maharaj or not? Dhruva Maharaj, you worship to Lord. Eh? So why are you afraid? When you come in the stage of Prema Dosha, that time Krishna will take. Eh? Not now. And when Krishna will take, that time you will be happy also. Now you are afraid, oh, maybe Krishna will take my wife, take my husband, maybe take my son's daughter. So it is better not serve to Krishna. Now Krishna will not take anything from you. Krishna now give to you more. Take. How much? Eh? As like Dhruva Maharaj. Krishna gave him in not. Lord Vishnu, Krishna and Vishnu. Gave everything to him. Dhruva Maharaj, Prahlad Maharaj, Yudhishthira Maharaj. Eh? So now actually Mahabharata is gay. Why Krishna arranged to kill Pandava, Draupadi 5 sons? Actually this is the reason. Krishna no, now Draupadi have to depart from this matter, attend her transcendental world. And understand? If you have little bit attachment with your any family member, you are not qualified to go to Golok Vrindavan. So for this reason, Krishna arranged this Leela. And killed Pandavas and especially Draupadi's 4 sons. Then Draupadi freed. Because when you are any relationship, that automatically attachment will be there. Or if you have no mother, no father, no wife, no children, so what will you do? You give everything to Krishna. If you have son, or if you have daughter, maybe you are devotee, pure devotee, but still you some affection with your son's daughter, this thing. You cannot give 100% everything. But if you have nothing, then you will give everything.
In our case, if we lose, it's because of our karma.
Good question.
What do you say?
How to know that Krishna is working on your life or its karma is working on your life?
When you lose the things and so on.
How to know the difference?
When you lose us.
No. Actually, this is the Draupadi stage is the highest stage, Mahabhav stage. This is not your stage.
In our stage, karma.
Your now stage is karma also there. And this karma also slowly destroyed if you chant holy names. Even still little bit namabhas will come. If your namabhas will come, namabhas and semblance of the holy name, then slowly or your karma will destroy. You cannot compare with Draupadi. Draupadi is the eternal associate of Krishna. And also this in the Leela. These things. You are not doing Leela. What are you doing? Suffering your karma. Leela and karma not same thing. Leela means drama. One person, he become king and acting. Do. And then after 5 minutes, penniless person. Name is Lakshmipati, but he is sitting in where? On the road. Babu. Name is what? Lakshmipati. Lakshmipati means he is Narayan. The husband of Lakshmi. A lot of wealth of money. So why he is on the road? This is not the Lakshmipati. So Krishna's Nitya Parikar, they are doing this Leela. They are not doing karma. Krishna and Krishna's Bhakta, those are pure, here Bhakta means pure devotee. They are all the activities performed by Krishna's Yogamaya. And Krishna teaches and teaching to us also this way. Then, so far this Bhagavatam explains this. Jasanu anugrinami harise tadhanai sanai. Sanai means very slowly, not at a time. Step by step, I am teaching. And Krishna will give everything to you. You chant holy, Krishna will give. And when you come in the stage of Prema Dasa, then Krishna thinks, oh, now he qualifies, so I have to take back. Krishna gives and Krishna takes back. So what is your problem? Who gave your son? Krishna. Or Krishna took back, so why your problem? And in middle comes Maya, she arranged this attachment, so you are crying. When your Tattva Darshan will come, you will not cry. Krishna gave, Krishna took back. Krishna gave wife and Krishna took back my wife. So Sitaram कहिए जाहे विधि राखे राम ताहे विधि रही विधि के विधान जान हानि लाभ सही है विधि के विधान जान हानि लाभ सही हानि लाभ means lose and get. Hani means lose. A lav means you get something. Actually, lose and get everything not depend on your hand. Whose hand? Krishna. Those who are the devotees, they are thinking, this is not my hand. Karmis, they are thinking, no, I get this according to my karma. This is also true. And according to your karma, good karma, bad karma, coming, going. So this is what will do. You did bad karma, then lose. Or you did good karma, then you get. And those are devotees of Lord, they are thinking, Krishna desire coming and Krishna desires going. What to do? Sitaram कहिए जाहे विधि राखे राम ताहे विधि रही विधि के विधान जान हानि लाभ सही है जिंदगी के डोर सो हाथ बिना नाच के तू अकेला नहीं प्यारे राम तेरा साथ या भी मान जब भी मान नहीं पाएगा होगा प्यारे वही जो श्री राम जी को भाएगा है If you are devotee of Lord, Bhakta, all you think, everything coming, going according to the desire of Krishna. Bhagavad Ichcha. Then your mind will be calm and quiet. If you get, you think desire of Krishna coming. And if you lose, also think this is desire of Krishna. What will do?
And this is good for you if you lose one.
Eh?
If you lose something, also is good for you.
But another, those are premik bhakta, they think no. Another question is. Another question, those are premik bhakta, no. I have to serve to Krishna. Krishna gave me money. I have to serve this money for Krishna Seva, Guru Seva, Bhagavad Seva. This is another question also comes. You give 1 penny. So that penny I what will do? Serve to Krishna. Krishna Seva. Those are pure devotees, they are thinking, no, everything, how to serve to Krishna. Those are devotee of Lord, they don't want to become Vairagi. And they don't want to also, Vairagi means renounce. And they don't also to become also enjoyer. No bhogi, no tagi. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying, you don't become bhogi or don't you become tagi. What is the meaning? Bhogi, tagi means? Enjoyer. A tagi means? Renounce. So what will do? You have to serve Krishna, Bhagavad Seva. Bhogi, tagi, both they are useless person. Stupid nonsense. So what will do? Yukta Vairagya. One is called Pholgu Vairagya, another is called Yukta Vairagya. Yukta Vairagya means detachment these things, but everything serve to Krishna. This is the thing. Krishna Seva. How to serve to Krishna? Understand? If Krishna give wife, that wife's engaged to serve Krishna. Or that wife not serve to Krishna, kicked out. Understand? So for this regard also say, what is this? Who kicked out his wife? Mirabai, she kicked her wife, not husband. She also left her house and do bhajan and sal. Bharat Maharaj. And he also gave up his mother, Bharat. Jeno Rama Vairi, who is against Ram, Bhagavan. So Bharat Maharaj, Bharatji, the brother of Lakshman, my brother of Ramachandra. And Bharat he also gave up her mother. Shastra saying, oh, you serve your mother, serve your mother. Now Bharat Maharaj, what did he? Bharatji, what did he? Who gave up his father? Prahlad Maharaj. Because who is the against of Lord Vishnu? Who gave up her husband? Who gave? Gopis. This thing was this.
Narada gave up his mother.
Narada gave his mother?
She was bites for this day.
She bite already.
He lost.
You are another your concept. If your mother die, so what will do? You give up or is it? Why the question is good?
I have to give up. That's right.
Are not give up. You already died. You cannot keep the dead body your mother. You know.
That's right.
This is not.
So, Krishna is the supreme controller, and the devotee should always have this conception that Krishna is arranging everything. If coming, going.
Are Krishna is arranging for whom? Those who surrender to Krishna. Krishna arranging for him. If you not surrender, Krishna will arrange. Arrange will Mahamaya for you. Two conceptions. If you surrender to Krishna, then Krishna arrange everything for you, Yogamaya. And if you not surrender to Krishna, you are doing that arranged by Mahamaya. And this Mahamaya doing arrange according to your karma. Try to understand. You understand or not? If you understand, then you and question will be solved. Or if you not understand what to do. And those who surrender to Krishna, then Krishna arrange for him. And those who not surrender to Krishna, they arrange by Mahamaya. And Mahamaya also arrange according to his karma. This is the thing.
My question is how to concile that Krishna.
How is surrender to Krishna? How is surrender to Krishna?
How to surrender Krishna? Raise two hands. Surrender means you raise two hands. What is that? What is the meaning? Krishna, I am yours. Atma nivedan tu apade kori hoinu parama sukhi har dukha dure gelo chinta na rohilo chodike ananda dekhi. Bhakti manasa deha geha jo kechu mora or pinu tu apade Nanda Kishora. Hey Nanda Kishora, Krishna, I giving everything to you. This is called surrender. Manasa, Deha Geha. Manasa is my mind, body, and which thing related with my body. Everything I offer to Krishna. That is called Atma Nivedana. Surrender means is what? I have to offer to you to Lord Krishna. Not externally. Gurudev, everything belongs to you by your lotus feet or then cut. This story, nice story. Gurudev, everything belongs to you. This is true, Gurudev. Everything belongs to you. That is your lip service. But when you think, अंतर बाहिरे सम व्यवहार अमानी मानद हव अंतर बाहिरे सम व्यवहार अमानी मानद हव भक्ति inside and outside heart should be same, not duplicity, not hypocrisy.
Gurudev, our mind is very tricky. So how do we know that we are really surrendered or it's just a show? Because mind is tricky.
Are mind, no, myself control your mind. First you control your mind. If your mind is tricky, so how to control your mind? How to control your mind? Abhyas and Vairagya. You read Bhagavad Gita. Krishna asked, Arjuna asked to Krishna. Our mind is very tricky, flickering. Tricky means flickering. So how to control my mind? Abhyas and Vairagya jo gijjati. Chanchalahi mana Krishna pramati balavad didam. Arjuna asks, hey Krishna, hey Govinda, my mind is very flickering, very tricky. So how to control my mind? The answer is given is what? Abhyas and Vairagya. Abhyas means practice again and again. Vairagya means renunciation from the enjoying the material sense gratification. Two things important. And Kali Yuga chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And always take the vow, sankalpa, vow. What the vow? Do or die. Understand? Many people, they also are taking sometimes, what is called? Drugs, intoxication. Then taking, okay, from today I will not take drugs. Then after few years, then start to drugs. Why? Because the bad association. He took vow. But when the bad association, then he forgets his vow. No. If you take vow, sapath, you have to always associate with pure devotee, Shuddha Bhakti. Otherwise, if you associate with bad persons, you will forget your vow and also same, what is called? Habits will come. This is the main thing. Always associate sadhu and always remember your vow. Do or die. This is the thing. Or associate with a bad person, then past habits automatically come. So always avoid the bad association. This is the thing. So in the same way, mind is flickering. This is true. Then how to control it? Always associate with good persons. And also sometimes you take vow. So in this way control. If you control your mind, everything you will control. Or if you not control your mind, who can do this? All kinds of medicine. If you are sick, then medicine. But what is the medicine? What is the sickness of the? What is the medicine of the sickness of your mind? Nothing. And the medicine, the sickness of mind, how to always associate with devotee and listen Harikatha and chant holy names and take vow. From this day, I will not do any bad things. This is the thing. Understand? Okay, now 8:15. Good. 10 o'clock, her house. How far long her house? Malini's house?
20 minutes, right?
Okay, Bhagavad Katha will be there.
Evil.
How many?
Photo.
I am not saying to the Portuguese, I am saying English.
No, I'm just saying.
Photo.
Photo. And devoto means devotee. Devoto is, we say sometimes, as one that does vows. Devoto.
Voto.
Voto is vow.
Voto na Bruto.
Voto. Devoto. The one who does vows. Devoto.